Using algebra tiles in factorization by trial and error, the cross method. So let's take a look at this example. I have 2x squared. I will need 1x squared, 2x squared, negative 3x, and negative 5. How can I use the following tiles to form a rectangle? Now, in our case, when we deal with negative numbers, we may not just only use this number of tiles for x tiles. I may even have other choices of x tiles to help me form a rectangle. Keeping this in mind, I shall leave my x tiles at the side and look at our x squared and the constant term. Starting with the x squared term, I have 2x squared. What are the factors of 2x squared? I can have 2x times x. In this case, I shall have it something like that, where this is 2x by x, and it gives me a x squared tile. Now let us look at our constant term 5. What are some of the combinations for 5? For factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will I be able to form a rectangle in this manner? No. So I'll need 5 times 1 or 1 times 5. Okay, so in this case, let's try this. If I work it this way, when I have 5 units over here and 1 unit over here, but I need to get a negative 5, so I may need to consider having positive 5 times negative 1. If I were to have a positive 5 for green tiles and a negative 1 for the red tiles, how many x tiles will I have in the end? Positive x, negative x, they cancel out each other. Positive x, negative x, they cancel out each other. Eventually, I will have a positive 3x. But is this what I want? In this case, hence let's try a negative instead. I can have a negative 5 and a positive 3. Let's check. If I were to use this, I will have negative 3x. Hence, my factorization is correct. And I will have 2x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, 1, positive 1, to give me a total of 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. Now, how should we do this in our cross method? Let's take a look. I have 2x times x, 2x squared. What are the possible factors of 5? In the first round, we tried to have 5 and 1. Let's take a look. 2x times 1 gives me 2x. X times 5 gives me 5x. If I want a negative 3x, I will need a negative 5 and a positive 2. Transferring the sign, I will get negative 5 plus 1. Let's check. Negative 5 times 1. Negative 1. Is this sign correct? Yes. That means I have completed my factorization. And my factors are 2x minus 5 and x plus 1. Now you are ready to try for more.